Oh yeah, it's probably filming right now. So yeah, I just got done taking apart Kate's phone, and we found out that we had to heat the phone up to fix it. And I'm not willing to do that, so we're just going to put it back together.
So how are we going to fix it?
So I'm going to look up other tutorials, like without disassembly and stuff. And
What were they doing with the heat gun? What part were they?
I believe that they were heating up the main processor of the phone.
They weren't going to glue something?
No, they weren't gluing something because...
Can't we just heat it up with the lighter?
No, that'll burn the phone, Kate. We don't want to have a phone sandwich. No, I wasn't actually going to put it in my mouth for your guys' information. That was a joke.
Enter.
Oh, hello, Jack.
He's trying to fix my phone. He has it all apart here.
I'm honestly trying to... It's annoying enough that you have to heat up the main processor of it.
He gave up when they took out the heat gun. I don't know. I had to buy another one.
Those are really tiny screws.
Yeah.
We lost
You know, else was really annoying, Jack? Is that these are also snaps.
What do you mean they're snaps?
Okay,
You can just snap them in?
no, you have to, like, insert a card or something into it.
Oh. Then we don't have that.
No, we do have a card, but I just found it easier to use my hands. Oh, yep. That's one annoying thing is that you'll be dropping the screwdriver a lot.
Or it'll slip and you'll...
What grade are you in?
7.
Seventh? Seventh already? How did you get so big so fast?
He was born before me, so that would explain it.
Where did all that time go?
Nowhere.
Gosh. What were you, 7 when I met you? 6?
Yeah.
How old are you now?
12.
Wow. Incredible. So, is 6th grade a new school?
I'm in 7.
I mean, is 7th grade a new school?
Yeah.
Do you like it?
Yeah.
What one? The one up there? On the hill?
We'll pause.
Are you going
so
to
what's
Luna
there,
Vista?
7th and 8th?
Yeah. And then MVHS, which is 9 through 13.
Is your brother at the high school now?
Yeah, he's a freshman.
He's a freshman. Wow. Time goes fast when you're having fun.
Oh, yeah, it's recording, Jack. And it falls when I'm recording. That's fun.
He has to record everything he does, Jack.
So I can
I
get...
thought you knew that.
So I can
I
make
know
YouTube
he's
videos.
recording it. I was just nodding the iPhone.
Yep.
With my other
Which
phone,
probably
I
just
have
gave
to-
millions of people a seizure or something.
I don't think millions of people are watching your video.
Or it just gave some people motion sickness, I guess.
So you're probably not close enough to the screen.
So you know what is something that was happening, Jack? The reason why is because Once you insert the new battery, it would keep on blue screening. And it falls on its own. And it keeps falling on its own. There. So I'm going to see if it'll... Alright, so it's still working, which is great. It's been like blue screening. It's seriously just been like going blue.
Is it just still doing that?
No, it's like on the LG screen now.
I don't have a charger out here.
I feel like it's like stuck on the LG right now. Oh.
Androids take a really long time to load.
It just went off then went back on.
You think
Androids take a really long time to.
Oh, it's blue screened again. It's blue screen. This is what was doing earlier. It's been going blue and getting stuck on a blue screen. Wow, that's great. I'm gonna
So
go look up a
that's
different
it?
tutorial.